What is up and on everybody? Welcome back to the Modern Roots Kitchen channel. Today, by the title, you can see we're going to do some Fiesta favorites. Here's some clips of Fiesta. This is me in front of a huge crowd at Hemisphere Park. If you don't know what Fiesta is, it's a huge festival here in San Antonio. Amazing cultures, amazing people. It's super hot, but god dang, it's fun. So I'm gonna go over two classics here. We're gonna do my version of a favorite chicken on a stick. I'm gonna do a spicy version. So I got some flour, I got some egg wash with Valentina, and I got some Panko breadcrumbs. I'm gonna go ahead and bread these guys. To each of our dredges, I added some Habanero Powder, some cayenne, some salt, pepper, and garlic. Add a little spice into that egg wash with the Valentina. I'm gonna start another one. We're doing 2 chicken on the sticks. You can easily do this at home. You don't have to wait till Fiesta. I know it's been canceled 2 years in a row, but you know what? Hopefully we're gonna be back next year. But just in case, man, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this at home. So we're going into the breadcrumb here. Panko, this is Japanese style breadcrumb. It's a nice crunch. Beautiful crunch. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these guys out on some parchment paper. Let them chill out. We're gonna get ready to fry. I have a Dutch oven there full of canola oil. Getting it to about 350 degrees. And I'm gonna drop these bad boys in slowly. Don't wanna catch your house on fire. That would not be bueno. Gonna fry these guys until they start floating like this. That's how you tell they're done. Gonna take them out and I'm gonna hit them with a little bit more of that seasoning that I put in the dredge. Looking beautiful. I'll put that down in the description so you guys know. Throw that sucker on a stick or a metal skewer. Toss a pickled jalapeno on there, and my goodness, doesn't that look beautiful? Nice and crispy. Freaking delicious. You gotta test it. You gotta be able to dance and walk around Fiesta with it. That's why it's on a stick. Oh yeah. All right, guys, now we're gonna make a Mexican candy margarita or a jalapeno sandia margarita. I based this one after the famous Mexican candy shot. I'm gonna take 2 ounces of 1800 tequila. And take an ounce of triple sec, Suarez triple sec, and an ounce of some watermelon pucker. Throw that in our shaker with some ice. And then here is some jalapeno simple syrup that I made. Just equal parts sugar and water with some jalapenos. Added that, shake it up, shake it real good, get it nice and cold. Take some margarita glasses out of the freezer, put some tahini around the rim. Gotta have that tahini, bro. Take some of those candied jalapenos from our simple syrup and some sandia candy. For garnish, you know, it's gotta be pretty. Little limon. One more good shake. Pour that sucker in there nice and cold. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Beautiful. Taste test. What do you think, Danny? Oh yeah, look at that shot. Look at that glisten. Look at that color. Fiesta, baby. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. It was super delicious, the margarita and the chicken on a stick. Tune in next week. We're gonna do some smoked brisket enchiladas. They're gonna be super amazing. Make sure you tune in, watch all the other videos, like, comment, and subscribe on the video. I'll see you guys next time.